Why shouldn't you write with a broken pencil? Because it's pointless. I stole that one from Google. I'm so proud of myself. I'm as proud as a broken pencil. So, for today's video, this is the second take that I'm doing, because the first time I recorded vertically, which would make the video short, so I'm a goddamn idiot, right? So basically what I did is, I said, well, look, you see this bad boy? I'm gonna teach you how to pick him up, right? I said, pick him up with your hand here. What the fuck? Like this, right? Or, see how he has this little gap? Just like, go like this and just like walk around with him. Chair. Oh my god, the chair is moving. Yeah, I'm weak as hell. Alright, I'm gonna sit on my couch. Anyways, yeah, that is how to pick up a chair. Oh, you see that bear? I'm gonna punch it. I'm sorry.